Do you know that each day gives you an opportunity to learn something? Each day gives you an opportunity to be something. Each day gives you an opportunity to improve something inside of you. So this video is for those who want to improve something for your life, for your future, and for your everyday matters. Nowhere, no matter that you are, right? Be very cautious about the work that you are doing. Suppose in this time, we are doing something a very little, so focus on your particular work. Do not think that this work has no value to the society and that's why this work must not be valued in a proper manner. So you are just doing the thing as you are doing, right? Remember that your small doing, a small performance can make you a different person. Maintain your personality, maintain your smartness, maintain your attitude. Having attitude in this time is not a big matter and it's not a big thing. You have to keep your own personality. Need not to copy the others. Where you are, what you are, that is the best. Just you have to perform where you are assigned to, where you are given the particular work, right? So in this way, respect yourself, respect your emotion, respect your passion, never beg from any other, never desire from any other. Whatever you are getting, keep it with you. Whatever you are expecting, try to earn as much as possible throughout your hard work and other possibilities. That's all for today. Improve yourself every day, learn yourself every day, and try to understand yourself day by day. Thank you.